Hello everyone. Like always, you all know why I'm here. Today I'm gonna introduce you to some new products. I'm presenting you the best top 5 vlogging cameras for people who love to make their beautiful moments into videos. Now let us start. 5. Panasonic LUMIX DC ZS70S. It is a great camera with good features. It has the following features of 20.3 MP 1/2.3 inch MOS sensor. Leica DC Vario Elmar 30x zoom lens, 24 to 720 mm, 35 mm equivalent, 1.166 m. Live view. Finder, 3.0-inch 1.04 m. Tilting touchscreen LCD, UHD 4K video recording at 30p, 5-axis. Hybrid O, i.e. is ISO 6400 and up to 10 frames per second shooting, 4K photo modes, focus stacking, and post-focus. It is a pocketable multimedia powerhouse, the Black LUMIX DC ZS70 Digital. Revolving around a 20.3 MP 1/2.3 inch high-sensitivity live MOS sensor, the ZS70 realizes rich image conditions. The sensor and image processor also enable shooting continuously at up to 10 frames per second. With single-shot AF, 30 frames per second at 8 MP in 4K photo modes, and UHD 4K video recording at 30p. The 4K. Beyond the imaging abilities, the ZS70 is also characterized by its impressive 30x Leica DC Vario Elmar zoom lens, which covers a 24 to 720 mm equivalent focal length range, as well as 5-axis hybrid O, IES. To minimize the appearance of camera shake for sharper handheld shooting. Electronic viewfinder in 3.0-inch 1.04 m. Tilting touchscreen LCD. Additionally, built-in Wi-Fi. Allows wireless share imagery or remotely control the camera from a linked smartphone or tablet. That's why this is good for vlogging. And it has a price of $359. The purchase link of all the products shown in this video is given in the description. You can go to the link and buy any product you like. 4. Sony A5100. We all know that when it comes to cameras, Sony is a most heard company that most us have heard about. It is not only because they are in this field for so many years, it is also because of it has a 24.3 MP with monitor type 3.0 wide. Type TFT LCD. It has Bion's X trademark engine for superb detail and noise reduction, which help you to deduce unwanted noises that will be presented in the videos. It has fast hybrid autofocus, advanced yet intuitive focus control, gives you class-leading clarity and contrast for stills and movies, and means you never have to miss a shot. Also have 179 phase detection points, which will be helpful for focusing the image for better photography or videography. It has 180 degrees tiltable LCD screen for perfect self-portraits that is really helpful when you're a solo writer. It supports Wi-Fi and OneTouch. NFC for simple sharing and control. In 4 dimensions, wide autofocus coverage, 2D height and width, fast autofocus speed, 3D depth, and enhanced predictive tracking, 4D time. It frees the moment with perfect focus. Design and features are also pretty good from the outer look. So the price also pretty high. You can get it with $442.85. Before moving on the next product, watch for more super tech related video, then like and subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon to get instant notification. Now number 3. DJI Osmo Pocket. It is a great camera with great features. It's not like a regular camera, it has a gimbals attached that will working with a gyro mechanism with camera, which can avoid a lots of shaking and unwanted turbulence. It is comparatively small size with weight 116 g. But don't think that the quality will be compromised due to size. In this, the size doesn't matter. It's a perfect fit. Sometimes medium and smaller size will also have greater features. Now let's talk about gimbals. Its controllable range pan is within -230 degrees to +50 degrees. with a tilt of -95 degrees to 50 degrees, and roll of plus or minus 45 degree max. Controllable speed 120 degrees/s with angular vibration range plus or minus 0.02 degree. Its battery is a type LiPo. Capacity of 875 mAh, energy 6.738 Wh, voltage 7.7 V, operating temperature is within 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, operating time 140 minutes, when shooting 1080p/30 fps video, charging time 73 minutes. When using a 10W charger. And camera has a lot of features with sensor 1/2.3-inch CMOS. Effective pixels of 12mm lens FOV with 80 degrees f2.0. Format equivalent of 26mm. ISO range of photo within 10032000 and video 10032000. It also has still photography modes, single shot, panorama, time-lapse, motion-lapse, hyperlapse video features. With resolution 4K Ultra HD of 3840 by 2160. And it have a price of $239. Now number 2, GoPro Hero 8 Black. GoPro, you all familiar with the brand, now in the most powerful GoPro ever. Powered by the revolutionary new GP2 processor, Hero 8 Black shoots 5.3K video with double the frame rate, 23MP photos, enhanced low-light performance and game-changing hypersmooth 4.0 video stabilization in all modes. On top of all that, Hero 8 is cloud connected, so the moment you charge it, your footage is automatically uploaded to the cloud. Includes Hero 8 Black camera, carrying case, rechargeable battery, curved adhesive mounts, mounting buckle plus thumb screw, USB-C cable and free SD card. There is also advanced hypersmooth 4.0 video stabilization. With a waterproof to 33 feet plus built tough. And automatically upload footage to the cloud when charging. It also have most stabilized video quality, which will be very helpful for the vloggers. And you can purchase it with only price of $289. Now the last and least. 1. GoPro Hero 10 Black. It is also a product of the company that produced the second item. You can just understand it. With name. Features like includes Hero 10 Black camera, carrying case, rechargeable battery, curved adhesive mounts. Mounting buckle plus thumb screw, USB-C cable and free SD card. All new GP2 processor makes this the most powerful GoPro ever. Unreal 5.3K 60 plus 4K 120 video resolution plus 23 megapixel photos. And has an advanced hypersmooth 4.0 video stabilization. With a waterproof to 33 feet plus built tough. It also automatically upload footage to the cloud when charging. Time warp 3.0, 8x slow mo. Over 30 mounts plus accessories. It's have 4 different modes like Max Lens Mod, Max Hypersmooth for unbreakable stabilization and Max Superview for our widest angle shots. Media Mod. Add a directional mic, HDMI port plus more. Display Mod. Extra large flip-up screen for framing plus vlogging. Light Mod. Lightweight, tough plus waterproof. It capture next level time lapses with time warp 3.0 plus night lapse. Also has a Super 8x slow mo at a new and improved 2.7K resolution. And a smoother playback on front LCD plus. A snappy, more responsive rear touchscreen, all powered by GP2. It hindsight captures up to 30 seconds before you hit record, so you won't miss a moment. Now you can set the time to record with scheduled capture, and you don't want to spoil your sleep. Overall, it is a great camera. And it just have a price of $394. So the decision is yours to choose, which is the best and suitable vlogging camera for you. Comment below. These are not only for vloggers, also for those who love to save their happy moments. If you are interested in these cameras, check description for more details. For more tech-related videos, like and subscribe, also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out my new video. Goodbye until we see next time.